Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by ensuring you are signed into Google on the device and have storage permission enabled. You want to save directly, so search for the image. Tap to open the full view and choose Download or Save Image. This writes the file to your device's Downloads folder. Do this because direct saving preserves original resolution and avoids extra steps. Once saved, note the file name and location so you can move or rename it later. This prevents duplicates. Once the image is saved, open your Files app to find downloads, then move the file to a folder the gallery scans, commonly DSIM/camera or pictures. This ensures the system media scanner picks it up and shows it in the gallery app. If you're transferring from desktop, upload to Google Drive and download on your phone, or use USB transfer. Both preserve metadata. Make sure the file name has a common image extension like JPG or PNG, because unknown extensions may be ignored by the gallery. To finish, open your gallery and refresh. Many apps rescan on launch, but you can reboot if needed to force a media scan. Then move the photo into an album for easy access and optionally edit name or tags so you can find it later. If the image still does not appear, make sure there is no media file in the folder, confirm storage permissions, and verify the file extension is correct. These are the most common causes when images fail to show in the gallery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.